What do you dream when you dream? You see stories, ideas that brighten up the darkness of your mind. But can you turn those ideas into reality? Anyone can dream, but only real achievers have the courage to execute their ideas. Our passion is driven by those great ideas we dream of. Are you the one who really wants to endeavor in the world of changes? Well, you are headed in the right direction. 𝐏𝐸 presents to you Pragati. It's a national level business plan competition which gives an ideal platform to bring powerful disruption to the existing problems of the world. All you need is a vision and a mission to make it happen. Pragati's business plan track includes a proof of concept where you need to demonstrate your projects, technical or non-technical, and prepare a business model that should comprise of the product description, market analysis, and target demographics. Why should you join us in this journey? An opportunity to be mentored by well-known faces in the industry. A perfect start to boost and widen up your network. Last but definitely not the least, winners are awarded prize worth more than 50,000 rupees. Hurry up and join us in the journey to the top of India's startup revolution, where we believe execution is the real essence in idea. The way to progress, the way to Pragati.